Hello Camberley family, and welcome back to some top tips. Today we're going to look at prefixes. So what are prefixes? Well, a prefix is a word added to the beginning of an original word, and it changes the meaning of that word. Be careful, we don't actually change the original word when we add a prefix. There's so many complex words in the English language. So one of the easiest ways to grow your vocabulary is take a word, add a prefix, and change the meaning. Then we have another word. So we're going to look at some examples today of the original words and how the prefix changes that word. Let's take a look. So prefixes. It's a huge topic, so I'm going to break it down into 3 parts. Today we're looking at part 1, and the prefixes we're looking at are dis, miss, un, and re. Let's have a look. So starting with dis, when we add dis to the beginning of a word, it means not or opposite. Let's look at some words and how they change. Connect, disconnect, honest, dishonest, order, disorder, appear, disappear, embark, disembark, infect, disinfect, interested, disinterested. Now we're going to look at a couple of sentence examples. Magicians like to make rabbits disappear into hats. I don't like that man. He's really dishonest. Looking at miss now, when we add miss to the beginning of a word, it means wrong or bad. So let's look. Trust, mistrust, laid, mislaid, spell, misspell, match, mismatch, manage, mismanage, understood, misunderstood. And some sentences. I've mislaid my keys again. Have you seen them? Oh, I'm sorry, I misunderstood. I thought you wanted to go out. Next, we're going to look at un. When we add un to the beginning of a word, it means not. Let's look at some examples. Finished, unfinished. Friendly, unfriendly. Clear, unclear. Able, unable. Do, undo. Wrap, unwrap. Lock, unlock. Let's look at some examples. I can't wait to unwrap my birthday presents. My project is unfinished. I'm hoping to complete it this weekend. Moving on now to re. When we add re to the beginning of a word, it means again. So let's have a look. Heat, reheat. Write, rewrite. Read, reread. Play, replay. Do, redo. Calculate, recalculate. Build, rebuild. And now let's look at some sentence examples. Can you replay that song? I love it. Oh, I have to redo my essay. The computer crashed and I lost it. So that's the end of part 1, prefixes. Keep an eye out for part 2, coming soon. If you're not familiar with Cambly, Cambly is an amazing platform. It works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So all time zones, you can connect to a tutor when it suits you and your learning. There's many fabulous teachers on Cambly, which can help you with what you want to learn and how you want to learn. Well, it's goodbye from me, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.